I just wanted to share a quick trick that I just invented. As far as I know, I haven't seen anybody else do this on YouTube. And it's a trick for quickly masking the rubber if you want to repaint your wheel. This is a type of plastic. I would think this would be the kind of plastic that maybe a placemat would be made out of. The diameter of this wheel is 23.5 inches, but you can't just cut a 23.5 inch circle in a piece of plastic and be done, because it won't fit right. Or in other words, it would lay on top, it would leave a gap, and you would have overspray. But if you cut an arc with a diameter of 27 inches, what you end up with is a piece that just will wedge right in there between the rubber and the wheel. And if you cut several of them, which I got a big piece of plastic from my wife, I do not know what it was originally for, but they do come out sometimes, like what just happened there. You just push it in. We'll push another one in. It really will help if your plastic is rigid enough for you to push hard and wedge it in there between the rubber and the steel. This paint that I've been using is Krylon 4293 Camouflage Olive. It is a great color. I really like the way that it looks. So now that I'm set, I can come around this outside edge like this. And then I can come around the inside edge like this. And I'm not going to get any paint on my tires. Okay, so what I've got is most of my ring. And this is what you can do if you don't have enough pieces to completely go all the way around. Just move one piece over to the area you need to do. And you still have to push it in good. But it's no big deal. Get yourself a piece of plastic and cut an arc, and then I move back 7 inches, cut my next arc. That's why these look almost like flower petals, is because the cut that made the top edge of this also was making the bottom important edge for the next piece. These pieces were all together in the piece of plastic originally. So the keys are thick enough plastic to be rigid when you're pushing it in, but thin enough that it will fit between the rubber and the steel. A 27-inch diameter arc, which also would be a radius of 13.5. And that's about it. I think you can do it with 4 pieces. If I would have just brought these out a little bit further, I would have a set where 4 pieces would do it. I wanted to go ahead and take these off just so I could see, and so you could see how good the tire looks. There's that. Nothing could be faster.